Today we have a 2009 Honda CR-V replacing the cap. Alright, so over here on the passenger side, we're going to open the glove box, push the sides in so we can bring it downward. Just take the stuff out. I'll do that in a second actually, or maybe not. Let's find out. Yeah, this has got to come out. So we're going to set that down, look inside of here, and open the sides. And keep in mind the airflow direction. The filter will have the same thing. We're going to slide this out. Now let's swap this out and reinstall. So airflow downwards, new filter, airflow downwards. We're going to go ahead and just slide this in. Make sure it's all even. Oh, I'm going to have to readjust this whenever I get off screen, but pretty much once we do that, we're going to slide it back in until it clicks, and then just close the glove box, and that's it. We're done. So thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, more videos to come.